Well, how to make $100 a day online easily by win cash with game apps. Yes, this is going to be awesome. A gaming way to earn $100 per day. Just stay with me. I'm going to show you 4 websites that will going to give you money for playing games on your phone or on your devices. Any way you like, anywhere you like, you will make money just playing games. So this is without any wasting any more of your time. I'm going to show you the make money online methods by playing games method in this video. The first website that I'm going to talking about is called MissPlay.com. Yes, this is MissPlay.com. You may heard it already or not, but this is, believe me, is the trusted and paid site that is already awesome, and this is going to be a Google Play Store app. So Android phone owners can play this game, but Apple owners cannot still. But I'm sure they're going to give you some solutions in near future, but this is only going to give you a Google Play Store options to download these apps and play games and earn money. But you can simply join there, simply discover new games. Many more games are developed every day. They are listed in MissPlay. You simply go there and join there and play those games, and you will collect some units, which is called the way you earn a hair, and those units going to be redeemed. You can redeem those coins after every month, so when you reach some threshold. So simply this is a way to best kept secret in gaming. You simply go there, you can discover hundreds of games every day, and you will get rewards to playing those games. And this is it, guys. You can also win some different prizes as well other than cash out. So the opportunity is really limitless, and you can achieve some badges out there and play with friends and make funds. You have funds, you play network games, right? Why not try making money with that? So this is a really awesome way to make a decent amount of money. You can earn around $1 per hour of playing in this MissPlay app. So this is really awesome. You can simply spend just 1 hour daily and you will make $30 per month. So why not try that? You just simply play for 2 to 3 hours daily. You already played and you can make $100 per month. So this is really good, awesome way, and you can just multiply it by playing more games on other sites as well that I'm going to show you in this video. So I'm going to show you the second apps. If you just don't have these options, for as you own an iPhone, you have no options in MissPlay. So for those iPhone lovers, you will go to Apple Store, and this is the second app, which is called Blackout Bingo Win Real Cash. This is a really solid trusted site, trusted app. You can see that already 76,000 ratings, and among those there are is still holding 4.5 rating, which is a really good size. People are really making money using this website. So Blackout Bingo is free apps. You simply install it on your iPhone and you're good to go to make a decent amount of money playing this game really easy. So simply this is the second gaming app that you can target if you have Apple iPhone. So the third website is a very known website, which is called inboxdollars.com. Is a really good survey sites. You know it already, but this is also a really good gaming sites as well. If you just scroll down, you can see that you can get paid for surveys, watching videos, cashbacks, get paid to read emails, but they have also get reward for playing games options here. You can see, click in this link, it will show this page, which is called play games for money in Inbox Dollar. Earn cash, gift cards and prizes on Inbox Dollar when you play games online for free. And as always, you just join there and get $5 free as a welcome bonus. So simply this is a really good website. They are featured on Forbes, and you simply get $5 right away, and then just log in there, go to their game sections, and you will get lots of games out there, and you can play them and you can earn a decent amount of money. You can see there's reviews and happy customers out there, and you will be very happy playing games. You already play games with your friends or you by your own, and you, why not you earn money? You are not making any money playing any games, so why not trying making money by playing games? So the last website, the fourth website, which is also a renowned website, which is called swagbucks.com, is also a survey sites, but they have a game options. If you just go there and you can see if you just go for their game sections, you can see that there are lots of games you can just play, and those are, some are require some payments, some requires free to play, and you can earn a decent amount of points here that can convert in, and at the end of the month you will get more points, you will get more money. So in combinations of these four apps and websites, it's definitely achievable to $100 per day income easily. So if you just spend hours daily working in those four apps, and you will surely make $100 per day easily. But this is going to take some efforts from you, as it's a free options to, by just playing games you just can't expect just $1 million in 1 minute of playing games. You have to spend hours daily, and then you can achieve $100 per day. But if you want to target $500 per month, then this is really achievable in these playing game options if you just spend like some hours daily. So if you want to achieve $100 per day, you have to work harder and you have to spend more time on this four website, but that is achievable. If you just have more spare times daily and you love playing games, then you can spend all day and you can make $100 per day with easy in this four websites. So this is it, guys. This is the four website that you can just avail it, and if you just love playing games, you, why not try that? You can make $100 per day easily. So MissPlay and Blackout Bingo, Inbox Dollar, and Swagbucks. This is all the four trusted sites that are going to pay you money. That's for sure. You will, if you get points, if you work harder, they will pay you. That's for sure. This is trusted website, so why not try that? So simply, if you're liking this method, hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always stay with Money Horn. All the latest videos uploaded daily. You just go there and you will get more methods to earn money online. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.